Here I've got XIAOMI Mi Note 10 Lite, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to locate and open the settings. Now go to the sound and vibration, it's right here, and now go to ringtone. And here you've got some groups like Mi Electronic, Mi Jazz or Mi Remix, but if you click on all ringtones, you will find everything in one place. So let me open this one, and now let me show you all of these ringtones that you can apply to your XIAOMI Mi Note 10 Lite, starting with acoustic guitar. You can also use some of the alarms of notification sounds, so let me show you just a few of them, for example, beep. So these are sounds for the alarms, and then for notifications, let me show you bottle, bubble, and frog. You can apply them as well, but as you can see, they are more like for message. That's why they are for alert and morning ringtones. But here under system ringtones, you've got all these super options, so just pick the one that you like the most. Let me choose, for example, Ice Latte. And if you'll go back, you will see that the ringtone has been changed. So this is it. This is how you can change ringtone in XIAOMI Mi Note 10 Lite. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.